Every day, thousands of business trips are made around the world. Most go according to plan and are incident-free. However, some business travelers are specifically targeted by criminals due to their hectic schedules and the likelihood that they are carrying expensive items such as mobile phones and laptops. The business traveler's nationality and the company they represent may also increase their risk of being targeted for financial gain or political aims. The smallest incident involving an employee could not only prove costly legally, but could also affect the organization's ability to recruit suitably qualified personnel who are happy to travel. This, in turn, could potentially reduce the organization's power to develop or enter into emerging markets, which is a priority for many companies in the current economic climate. Today, every organization is required to show a high level of care and corporate responsibility to all personnel who travel on its behalf. Employees could be put in danger if they travel to regions where they may be exposed to significant risk, cultural and religious issues, or language problems. Business travelers should always be thoroughly briefed on the company's profile within the country to be visited, and any past incidents should be highlighted and studied. However, it is still estimated that over 40% of global travelers receive inadequate or no information prior to departure. Travel Angel aims to instill a culture of self-awareness in each business traveler who takes the course, with beneficial effects for your entire organization. The e-learning journey shows how to manage personal security protocols based around the simple acronym SAFER, developed by leading travel security industry specialists. Once these are completed, the user can move forward onto the 6 specifically targeted travel gurus, which aim to raise awareness in specific key areas, such as street crime and travel health. A short evaluation assessment at the end of each guru allows the user to show their organization that they have understood the content successfully and can safely travel to their destination. To further aid your planning and research for business travel, corporate access to Maxwell Lucas will allow your organization to access Global Watch, a uniquely developed country risk profile database of over 200 countries around the world. Global Watch provides a travel risk rating for each destination, with sections providing specific information on terrorism and security, travel risks, health risks and recommended vaccinations, and a cultural section with tips on basic do's and don'ts. To increase your corporate reassurance for the safe movement of employees worldwide, Corporate Access will allow your organization to access TrackMate, a web-based service which allows a select group of administrators to monitor individual travel plans, manage travel authorization depending on destination risk levels, and enable individual travelers to access detailed travel risk information tailored to their itinerary using Global Watch as the source for information. Using the built-in email, SMS communications platform, we can react effectively when an incident occurs and locate and communicate with travelers. In addition to Global Watch, Travel Angel and TrackMate, there is a unique area called Lifeguard, which is open to all members and is an invaluable library of hints, tips, podcasts and PDFs that can be downloaded at your leisure.